Hey, it's Keitha T. Hey, family. So today we are going to make some really delicious, yummy frozen fruit snacks. You have to enjoy these because they're absolutely delicious and easy. So simple to make, and it only requires 3 ingredients. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to see me cut up some strawberries, combine them with some vanilla Greek yogurt, and then we're going to line them onto the parchment paper. After that, we'll be putting them into the freezer for about an hour. And then we're going to take them out and we are going to drizzle them with some delicious chocolate that I will be melting. I will be using chocolate chips. And we're going to melt those in the microwave, guys. And then we're just going to drizzle those strawberries, put them back into the freezer for just a bit, and then we get to enjoy them. So I hope you all enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, this is a really quick, easy, simple, and healthier snack for us to enjoy. Again, we're just using fresh strawberries, some plain Greek vanilla yogurt, simple. Okay, let's open the chips. We are going to melt and stir them and get them nice and melty. Here you see me I've taken the strawberries back out of the freezer. Let's do a frozen test. I'm going to just let that fall. You all can hear that it's frozen. Now we're going to drizzle our melted chocolate onto the chocolate frozen strawberries. Look at that. Doesn't it look delicious? By the way, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button. It helps a lot. And guys, I do appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Look at those babies. Time for a taste test. Y'all want to see me try one? Here we go. Keep watching. Oops, got ahead of myself, y'all. Look at that. We're actually putting them into the container first. I got excited and thought I was ready to taste test. Let's get another piece of parchment paper so we can layer those strawberries. Still plating. You guys, you have to try this. If you haven't tried them, please try them. You won't be disappointed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to share. Share. Okay, taste test time. Here we go. I'm showing you once again. Bite into that, baby. It was absolutely delicious, guys. And it's healthy for us. This is a nice, healthy treat. Your kids will enjoy this too. So if you decide to make some, come back and let me know what you thought. It's your girl, Keitha T, in Keitha's Kitchen, making yet another sweet treat. Bye-bye.